It's a structural change that allows us to invest in a holistic approach to safety using evidence-based strategies.
Aye.
Councilmember Schrader.
Aye.
I wouldn't want anybody to think that this is the change that people are asking for. This is a precondition to the change that people are asking for.
The issues of all of the institutions in our society is really foundationally underlying racism. And until we really address that issue, we can change the name of the public safety, the makeup, but until we really address racism, nothing is going to change.